So we've got some chicken kebab or kebab. How do you say that? Kebab or kebab? Bab? I don't know. Anyway, chicken kebabs today. Green chicken. So we've got lots of green stuff going on here. We've got cilantro or coriander, mint, lots of chili, yogurt. These are really simple and absolutely delicious. Let's get going. Okay, so this is super easy, but really delicious. We've got some chicken here. No skin, no bone. I've cut it into fairly large pieces. You can do it smaller if you want. I think traditionally you'd do it a little bit smaller. I like it nice and chunky like that. We've got equal parts of fresh mint and fresh cilantro or coriander, like a bunch each. 3 or 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil, 170 grams of yogurt or curd, tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, salt and pepper, and fresh chilies. Now, if you want, and I'm going to add a little bit of this, we're going to add a little bit of green color. Obviously, this is green chicken, so we want it nice and green. That is going to ensure that that happens. You don't have to do that because these guys will do it, but that's going to make it really vibrant. What we're going to do is we're going to get everything apart from the chicken into my blender and make a paste. Okay, so you've got yourself there really sort of vibrant, beautiful tasting marination. We're going to drop our chicken in. We're going to stir it in. And then ideally you want to leave this in your refrigerator, covered of course with some plastic wrap or something, overnight, 6-8 hours. If you haven't got time to do that, you want to do it for a minimum of 1 hour, absolute minimum. But yeah, I'm going to do this overnight. And it's going to be absolutely wonderful. Okay, good morning, or it's good morning to me. So I left these overnight in my refrigerator. We're going to get them onto some skewers now. Now, I'm using these bamboo or wooden skewers. If you're going to do that, you need to soak them in water. That will prevent them sort of catching fire on the stove. And you can do these on the barbecue, by the way, if you want. And again, you're going to need to do that. If you're going to use metal, of course, no need. Very simply, as you can see, I've got some gloves on. We're going to take a piece of chicken and we're going to skewer it. In they go. Now don't get them too tight. Just touching like that. And that's it. Let me continue doing this. Once they're done, we'll get these cooked. Very simple. So there you go. They're on the skewers. Simply, we're going to go to the cooker. We're going to do these on a flat metal sheet. Like I say, if you wanted, you could do these on a barbecue. So as you can see here, I've got a metal plate or sheet, on top of my gas. The gas is on. It's not on high, it's on fairly low. We don't want to cook these in a crazy way. Now you can do these if you want in a frying pan or something like that. That's up to you. And if you're going to do that, you might need to cut your skewers, your bamboo or wooden skewers, so they fit in your pan. Right, very simply, we're going to flip, about 8 minutes. So I've been going for like 8 minutes on a nice low heat. Now the reason I've asked you to do it on a low heat is so that we make sure that it's cooked, all the way through. We're now going to turn the heat right up to high, give it a couple of minutes on that, and then you need to speed up your turning power as well. So yeah, flip, high heat. And there you go, so easy and absolutely delicious. I mean, really delicious. They're going to be nice and juicy and soft in the middle. They've got that beautiful little bit of colouring on the outside, which I love. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thumbs up helps us out. Comments are great. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.